Well, they did the last time too, which I thought was pretty smart. They got Rodgers backpedaling. He resets Starks. They are going to bring pressure again.
He got away from it.